So pero, siyempre, hindi rin mawawala yung mga dynastic forces. They will continue to apply pressure and they will, I think, consolidate para lang harangin na to. But it's good to note that several members of dynasties are actually openly supporting the anti-political dynasty. Yung iba naman tahimik lang. So we wouldn't know what their position is, yung mga ibang members of political dynasties. So, kaya kailangan talaga ng vigilance and continued calls from the citizenry, lalo na sa mga students, sa mga youth, sa youth sector. Malaki ang magiging boses nila in pushing for the enactment of a genuine political party, political dynasty, anti-political dynasty law. So yun ang situation now. I'm very hopeful. Ang concern ko na lang or my apprehension is what kind of an anti-political dynasty law would it be in finished product ng both houses of Congress? Will that be an acceptable one? Will that be the ideal one? Kasi ngayon nga, hindi nagkakasundo sa whether it's second degree or fourth degree. And then, although nagkakasundo naman sa no succession, dapat yung pag nag-expire na yung term of a family member, hindi dapat sumunod kaagad yung another family member. And then simultaneous holding. The focus of debate is about should it be one national and then one local? Ang pwedeng i-allow from the same family, one national, two locals, and then pag ibang mga territorial jurisdiction, ano rin ba? Irrespective of the territorial jurisdiction, the territorial coverage of the members of the family, bawal talaga. So kahit halimbawa let's say in one province, one member of a dynasty, and then in the next province, pagbabawalan din ba or not? Because anyway, it's a different territorial area. So yan ang mga yan ang mga dinedebatehan. But what we want is really an ideal one that is consistent with the spirit of the Constitution. Kasi ang spirit naman talaga ng mga framers of the Constitution is really to ban or to prohibit, but leaves it to Congress on how to define a political dynasty and yung exact scope of a political dynasty. So let's hope for that, but at the same time, mas maganda if organized, lalo na mga youth to make a heightened continuing call for the immediate enactment of the anti-political dynasty. Dapat before talaga 2028. Kung hindi kaya this year, hindi kaya this June as desired by the President, ay
dapat it will apply